I certainly hope you enjoyed today's show. As always, our goal is to educate you and our goal is to entertain you. Today's show was, as you know, a little bit different because we talked about an issue. We haven't dedicated a show to an issue before. This is a very important issue. As you saw in the first segment, based upon the estimates from the folks at PolicyPedia, this is a $4 trillion problem. That's a huge problem. And it's a really big problem because also, as we discussed today, not only is there not enough money perhaps to solve the pension issue, when you solve the pension issue, then there's not enough money to solve perhaps the education issue or any other pressing issue that is money-based in our society. And we know that many of our governments today are pressed for money. This is a very difficult issue. So we're trying to educate you, get you to come up to speed. So for today's homework assignment, what I'd like you to do is take a look at PolicyPedia. And one of the things they've done is they have a state-by-state breakout of the pension issue. So look at your state on PolicyPedia, or perhaps just look at, go online, Google something, and find out what's going on in your state in terms of pensions, both state level and municipal, and get a handle on the problem. And get a handle on the problem in your state. As I suggested at the beginning of the show, you may decide this is a big enough problem that you want to get involved. You want to get involved in solutions. You want to get involved in the politics. I think PolicyPedia and some of the things we're doing on today's show will be a good roadmap for you. Remember, if you are not part of the solution, you are part of the problem.